24-hour Locksmith offers affordable services and immediate responses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're experts at automotive, commercial, and residential locksmith service, keyless entry systems, master key systems, and more. We also provide lockout service, programmable keys, keys made for ignition, doors and trunks, lock repair and replacement, steering club removal, locks and safes, open and changed, and more. We're Texas state licensed, bonded, and insured, and offer discounts for AAA members. We serve Houston and surrounding areas. So call 832-251-9194 or visit us online at 24hrlocksmith.com.